In this video, I'll show you how to connect a database in BASE44. First, open your web browser, go to the BASE44 website, and sign into your account. Then open the app where you want to add a database. Next, decide which database you want to use. If you're using a supported backend service, such as Supabase, make sure your database project is already created before continuing. Now, open your project settings or integrations in BASE44 and choose the option to connect a database if it's available. If you're using AI to build your app, you can also ask BASE44 to connect your project to your database and generate the required code automatically. After that, provide the required connection details or authorize the integration if you're prompted to do so. Once the database is connected, ask BASE44 to create tables, define your data structure, and build features that can create, read, update, and delete data. Finally, test your application by adding and retrieving sample data to make sure the connection is working correctly. When everything is working as expected, save your changes and publish the latest version of your app. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect a database in BASE44. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.